Hey guys, with one of the worst sailing weeks of the year approaching, due to very low tides or either too early or too late in the day, I decided to put the skiff away and tackle some tasks here on the cruiser. I thought I would just give a light sanding on the cabin tops, and then I would apply some anti-skid. But you know me, I can't just do the one thing at a time, can I? Take a look. Okay, now I need to try and remove these rails so I can sand the top of the cabin and put anti-skid in here. Right, these things come off easily. Right. And another one. That's one done. 3 more to go. Right, this is Epoxy Body. It's a 2-part putty by Ample. It's mixed in a 1-to-1 ratio, so pretty easy. I'm not worried with these holes because I'm going to have to re-drill this again to put the grab rails back in place. It's just where the bases were, the fiber was all cracked, small airline cracked, so I just dug a bit more with the angle grinder, and now I have enough thickness to put some putty in there. Right guys, forecast for 38 degrees Celsius again for this afternoon, so I'm gonna try and do some sanding in the morning. It's now 10 a.m. It's already hot. There's a slight breeze blowing. Hopefully that will increase or I'm gonna melt here. So enough talk, better start. If you're wondering why I have socks, I've cut my foot there. I've got 2 big cuts there and I can hardly walk. I have to limp, but don't want much dust in there, so I'm gonna keep the socks. Right, so the finishing is not that important because I'm gonna take this textured kiwi grip on the top. I just didn't want any holes here when I mount the bars. So it's just light sanding now. I just can't do a fast job. That's me. Okay, I'll be using Impulse Light Primer. It's a 2-pot primer. I will be thinning it with this thinner, and I'll use a foam roller to apply it. Again, this is primer. It's gonna take anti-grip on top, so anti-grip. So the primer will be applied to the top of the cabins, and then I'm going to put anti-skid on top of it. So the finish is not that important. Of course, I don't want any big lumps or bumps or whatever, but I'll do my best. I need to mix it with this thing. It's a 2-to-1. I think, yeah, it's a 2-to-1, so it's got a pot life of about 3 hours at 20 degrees Celsius. It's probably about 22, 24 now. It's a bit cloudy, which is good. Okay, that's the first coat, light primer. I'm not sure if I'm gonna apply a second one or just go straight to a top coat. And it's raining now. That is probably the only time this summer they actually rain. As you can see, I can never do just one thing. I removed everything off the cabin, all the grab rails, the Dodger tracks, the covers for the dorades, everything. And I sanded the whole thing, primed it and painted it with 2-pot top coat. I now will be away for 6 days, and then when I come back I'm going to apply another coat over this one. According to the Ample dude, you do not need to sand it in between coats with this product. As long as it's degreased and clean, no dust, you can just apply a second coat over it. So that's great, because I did not want to sand this all over again when I came back from holidays. But anyway guys, until then, stay safe and I'll see you soon.